watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Warm and muggy, the two big weather stories we had today across West Michigan. And as you look at Storm Track Live radar, rain has really been kind of not necessarily a contender for most of us in the forecast today, as we've been able to avoid a lot of those showers and storms for that matter. Lightning count right now stands at 0, as it has for most of the day. And what we've seen happen is just a couple of showers try to bubble up in a few spots. Look at this one, try to develop over parts of Berrien County, is now reduced to just a sprinkle over Paw Paw Lake as we slide our way to the southeast here over Coldwater. Within about the past 15-20 minutes, we've seen a couple more showers try to develop, perhaps a little bit of moderate rain contained in a few pockets. But by and large, most of the rain this entire 4th of July holiday weekend has been to the south and east. Saw a few people just to the south and east of us tweeting that they had seen the sun a couple times today for the first time in several days, and that's just because they've been so much closer to this Gulf of Mexico moisture feed, and they've seen a lot of rain, a lot more in the way of clouds as well. Here's the visible satellite. Notice that plume of cloud cover moving its way to the north, but we still managed to hold on to some breaks here, which is why today sometimes you saw the clouds, sometimes you managed to get in a little bit of sunshine. I think tomorrow is going to be very similar to what you saw today. Just a couple of showers possible, perhaps an isolated storm, especially near and south of Interstate 94. But even then, it is not going to be raining all day. The best chance for that rain will hold off until Tuesday into Wednesday, especially the second half of the day on Tuesday into Wednesday morning. That's when we could see that heavier soaking rain along with a few rounds of thunderstorm activity. And as that cold front pushes through and clears the area, it will leave dry and comfortable conditions behind for Thursday and the rest of the work week. Still 83 in Grand Rapids, same thing for Ionia, 79 in Kalamazoo. Definitely some evidence of the cloud cover as we head to the south, but dew points are high everywhere. This is the measure of moisture in the air. Look at this, 65 in Grand Rapids. This really starts to feel a little on the sticky side once they get to about 62 or 63, and you can see just about everybody is over that mark. And once they make it to 70, it is just oppressive outside. Very little in the way of wind. We'll see these go calm tonight, which will allow a few patches of fog to try and develop, but I don't anticipate it being too widespread. Here's the Futurecast at 7 p.m. this evening. Not much going on. You see a couple of those showers try to pop up. They're short-lived, few and far between. This is 1 a.m. We'll stop it again tomorrow morning on your way to church, heading out to the Balloon Festival in Battle Creek. Most areas are dry. Can't rule out a couple of sprinkles. And I think this is a little bit overdone as we go into tomorrow afternoon. A few scattered showers, perhaps a storm, but still few and far between. Heading out to Lake Michigan, water temps are beginning to warm up. We're well into the 60s for most locations. Tomorrow, south to southwesterly winds, waves 1 to 2 feet with a low risk for rip currents. And here is that 8-day forecast. Very similar conditions Sunday into Monday. Chance for a passing shower or storm, but much of the time it is dry. Best chance for rain will come second half of Tuesday into about the first half of Wednesday.
For everyone who thought summer disappeared, there you go.
We've got it right on through the 8-day forecast.
It's gonna be warm.
Not going anywhere.
Thanks, Laura.